Welcome to another day of Python challenges. Sorry, I've been away for so long, but here we go. We're going to create a fun little program. It's just going to be rolling a dice. So let's get started. So open up your idle program. All right, so I've got mine in the taskbar there. And then go File, New. And we're going to learn, through this we're going to use while statements, importing certain things, and using ranges as well. So what we want to do first is we are going to roll the dice. So we need to import a module, and we need the random module. All right, let's do that. And then we're going to create a while loop. This is quite an easy while loop. All you do is do while true. There we go. And then what we're going to do, we're just going to ask the person to press R to roll the dice. So let's go print, and then that. Type R to roll the dice. There we go. And then we'll need to look at what they say. So type in response equals, and to get that we use input. Now we're gonna let's also do something if they want to exit it. Let's do a simple thing where if the response is equal to exit, and then we'll exit the system. Now to do that, we need to import another module. We need the system module. So you just put a comma system, or you can put it on a new line. It's up to you. Press enter there, and then just type in system.exit, and that'll exit our program. I think there's something built into the idle software as well for that too. And then for our else statement, and we need a colon, so shift and just beside the L, do a colon, and then we're going to print the random number. So to do that, in our print, we type in random dot rand int. That's the built-in function of the random module, and we can choose our range from 1 through to 6, and that's a usual dice, so you can change that if you like. Now that's done. All we have to do now is run it, and I'll save it as roll. Okay, type R to roll the dice, and it'll do it. Actually, it'll accept any letter because it's just an else, so you can do anything and it'll roll. So you can change that if you like. And the other thing we want to do is exit. So type in exit, and there we go. The program has finished. So quite a fun little app there, like a program that is like a dice. Some challenges could be create maybe you ask the user for what side of dice do you want to roll, and then create that. You might want them to only be able to press R and roll. You can change the exit to an X. Have a go at some of those. You'll get a lot out of it if you try some of those challenges. I'll see you later, and have a good one.